Welcome to Sparsh Global School, where innovation meets education. Today, we're excited to showcase a special segment from Innovation STEM program. Through hands-on activities and collaborative projects, our students are not only learning but also applying their knowledge in real-world scenarios. This initiative is designed to spark curiosity, inspire creativity, and develop problem-solving skills. Let's hear from some of our enthusiastic students who will share the insights from this exciting STEM activity.
Everyone, my name is Anika Sharma. Today I have made an activity named Fading of LED. I used Ablock's website to make this activity work. I have used breadboard, jumper wire, LED, Arduino board and USB cable. We have made this program that makes it able to work. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone, my name is Manalam Siddiqui. Today I innovate LED fading activity on Ablock's app.
Can you show me how is it work?
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayush and I study in grade 6B. Today I have made a LED fading activity with the help of Ablock software. This is the program.